Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode. Today, want to do a PlayStation headset comparison real quick. These are two of the most popular ones on Amazon. So obviously, it's the official PlayStation headset right here that I have, and also the Logitech. This one is the white version of the 435. Both are wireless. Okay, so that's what we're going to do comparison today, because obviously if you're playing with the PlayStation with the wireless controller and all that good stuff, you're going to want a wireless version of it. I wouldn't recommend getting a wired version at all, since you're going to be spending the money anyway. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you guys kind of the differences between these two. I mean, they're significantly different, but at the same time I want to do some sound comparison for you guys, because Sony said that their official headphones is like the 3D headphones. So I'm going to put that to the test. I'm going to play some Gran Turismo for you guys, so that you guys can hear exactly what I'm hearing. All right, I got a little contraption for you to try that thing out. So that's what we're going to do. And then obviously this is the most popular Logitech headset that you can get out there, and it's basically saying that it's made for the PlayStation 5. So I want to test those out, let you guys listen to it, and yeah, let's get right into it. So first off, the two headsets comes with a little dongle that you connect to your PlayStation. Pretty simple. They're both about the same size. If you stick it on the back of the PlayStation, it's not gonna extrude out too much. If you look at this headband, these they have this design where if you put it on, this thing kind of gives you that comfort feel right here, kind of like the SteelSeries that they've done, except this right here is like really nice thick rubber. The padding on the PlayStation is very different. If you look at this one right here, it has this almost like pleather feel to it. We're gonna get into the ear cup in a little bit, but let me show you the Logitech version. The Logitech is pretty much all cloth. So you look at this one right here, this is cloth right here. On top also is all cloth. I would say from a long gaming session standpoint, I think the cloth might be a little bit better, because it's more of a breathable fabric. With the PlayStation, with the leather, you can definitely sweat on this thing, because, well, it's more enclosed. But anyway, that's just my experience. I do sweat a lot, so with the leather, I can definitely see it. With the cloth, I don't know. After long gaming sessions, it feels better. From the weight standpoint, the PlayStation official one actually is a little bit heavier than the Logitech one. The Logitech one is super light, very light. Yeah, this is one of the lightest headphones that I have with me. The PlayStation feels like a regular headphones. It has some heft to it, but when I'm wearing both of these, I don't feel like that that's crushing my head at all. Especially with the Logitech, it's super light, and yeah, I don't feel like it's crushing my head like some of the headphones out there. Even with the PlayStation one right here, with the way it's designed, don't feel like it crushes my head at all. Obviously, it's due to the design that they've done here, just like the SteelSeries. I was using the SteelSeries one for a long time, where they have this little suspender right here, and it feels really comfortable on your head. So down to it, if you're looking for like a white headphones, obviously Logitech has this white version right here, but then you also have a bunch of different other color options as well to jazz up your gaming setup. With the PlayStation, all you get is the black, the white, and also like the camouflage or something like that. It's a weird color. But yeah, those are the three colors. With the Logitech, you get a lot more color options. From a fit standpoint, this is the important piece right here. The Logitech, actually, the cup is a little bit bigger. If you look right here, the way they designed the cup is a little bit bigger. You see that? Versus the PlayStation. See how it's rounded? Well, here's the thing. Your ears is not really rounded. It's kind of an oval shape. And so I feel like with the PlayStation, I kind of have to adjust it to get all my ears in there. With the Logitech, the way it's shaped, it's shaped to your ear, so I don't have to adjust too much to it. So yeah, when it comes to the ear cup design, I think Logitech really win out on this one because of the way they designed the ear cups. I just feel like it fits my ear a little bit better. Obviously, I'm wearing it backwards because the mic is supposed to be right here. So anyway, that's just kind of scratching the surface on the design of these headphones. Obviously, they're very different. So depend on your style, I guess that comes down to which one you're going to pick. But this next one, what I want to do is I want to show you guys how these things sound on a game like Gran Turismo, which has a lot of like, you know, noise, 3D sound and stuff like that. So I'm going to show you what they sound like, okay? Let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so first I'm going to test out the Sony PlayStation version. Again, Gran Turismo 5, I'm going to turn the volume all the way up so you guys can hear it. So if you have headphones, go ahead and put that on and you should hear this right now. Okay, it's Logitech G435. Okay, so there you have it, guys. That's the comparison between the Logitech G435 headset along with the PlayStation official headset as well. So let me know what you guys think. That's Gran Turismo right there. I guess they do a lot of surround sound and stuff like that, so you can hear the car coming at you or on the side, or when the car is hitting you on the side, or when I'm like riding on the curb. You can definitely hear all those little sound right there. Let me know what you guys think. That's it for me right there. I'm out.